Alright, now if we check out for string, so it is tied there, alright, stretched over here, two strings, and it's plucked. Alright, now this is belonging to first harmonic and fundamental, so L is equal to lambda by 2. Alright, and for this L is equal to lambda, and for this L is equal to 3 lambda by 2. Alright, same theory. Alright, so see, this is lambda by 4, 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 lambda by 6, lambda by 4. That is 3 by 2 lambda. See, in terms of lambda by 4, it becomes easy to find in terms of lambda. Okay. Alright. So let's get into frequency. Now here in this case, we found that L is equal to lambda by 2. So lambda is equal to 2L. N is equal to V over lambda. Now here what we are using is this formula. We are using V. We had told that V is root T over M. So we are using this formula root T over M over L. Alright. So what happens is this T remains up, M goes down. So N is equal to 1 over 2L root of T over M, where T, as I mentioned earlier, was the tension of the string, and small m is mass per unit length, mass of string divided by its length. So mass per unit length. Okay, in this case L is equal to lambda, so straightforward it becomes N1 is equal to V over lambda. Now in this case also we found that lambda was L, and we took the same formula, V is equal to root of T over M, substituted that root of T over M for V, and lambda is L, we jotted it down, so this becomes L into root T over M. But what we do is we divide and multiply it with 2 with a purpose. Now this 2 remains here and this 2 remains here, so this becomes this. So we can say that if we call this as N1 is equal to 2N. Alright, similarly here it was 3 by 2, lambda becomes 2 by 3, L. So N is equal to V over lambda, we substitute V over here, M goes down, 2L by 3, 3 comes up and 2L goes down. So it is 3 into 1 by 2L root T over M. So if we observe this properly, what we find is this is this, which is N. So N2, if we call it as, becomes 3 into N. So 3N. We saw 3 modes of these 3 situations. Alright. Now out of these 3 situations, we find that frequencies ratio were 1, 2, 3 in this case, and the frequency ratio in this case also was 1, 2, 3. 1:2:3. This also was 1:2:3. Okay, so these two are quite identical in behavior in terms of modes of vibration or frequency. All right.